We have the national president of ZCIEA, Uvela Egwanda. Also, she is the StreetNet International president. In ZCIEA, we have an international affiliation where our organizations, ONKE, who represent our informal economy workers in the world, affiliate to. So she is the president, the international president of that organization, StreetNet International, Madam Lorraine Sibanda. She is also going to talk to us just in a short while.
Why are we paying those fines? Is it really very necessary to start about fines and just sport fines even that's the phone with the school But I promised that, and the lady there was saying that she would have loved to hear Mr. Manning talk about the fines that they are being made to pay. Where are they going? What is happening to those? She said she didn't hear anything concrete, but maybe if you'd like, you can respond to that.
If I could go to the question that was really for Mr. Manning, yes, the fines are unnecessary and part of a system which has been allowed to develop, of corruption, actually. And in fact, it's common cause that vendors are a reality, their lives and how they make a living are a reality. And we have done nothing, actually, as Zimbabweans, quite honestly, and as Zimbabwean MPs and leaders and local council, to facilitate, as a short-term measure, the lack of harassment of people just trying to earn a living to survive. And that's what has taken away so much of your dignity as Zimbabweans, because you're trying to survive, you're trying to earn a living, but you're being harassed and degraded at the same time. And as a short-term measure, your dignity should be restored to.